We saw a significant increase in internment and internment capacity.
The tribunal is investigating allegations that genocide and crimes against humanity.
Is that correct? It's following Uyghur customs or practicing Uyghur religion, a potentially criminal or suspicious activity in Xinjiang?
Yes, given the way that I and other researchers at my organization understand both the Qaraqosh list and the broader context in which it was assembled and used, effectively many, if not all, expressions of distinct religious and cultural identity are at the very least suspicious, if not outright criminalized.
According to government documents, up to 2 million labor transfers happen each year, despite the fact that anyone would say that this is not a desirable situation. This is because, as government directives tell us, labor transfers are based in a logic that suggests that people who don't take steps recommended by the state are infected by terrorism and separatism. It is clear that everyone in the region, that the punishment for being associated with the three evils of terrorism, separatism, and extremism is being sent for re-education.
Məxsus aşını açıq, həmmimizdə aşını açıda təkşürüş qıldı, asas həmmimizdəki aşı təkşürüşünü ötdü. Yaş olsun, kiçik qız bolsun, ya yaşanğan ayal bolsun, kar yo'q, ular ayollar təkşürüşü qıldı.
Məcburi orlaşdırılğan, qoşmaq tuqqan Xitay kadrlarını kütüşkə məcbur boldum. Bu Xitay kadri hər ayda bir həftə uyumuzda qunatdı.
Muşu rezil planını önümlük işe aşırış üçün 70 neçe türlük boğan yalgan töhmetlerini aşı günahsız adamlara, Şərqi Türkistan halkına çaplap
qol qo'yishga majburlandim. O'zim iqror qilishni talab qildi, qisqa qilib, anharda shu jinoyatga qo'l qo'yishga.
Xitoy saqchilarının bununla aniq oshkora holda Xitoyning maqsadi butun dunyo xo'ja bo'lish ekanligini butun bo'lgan shu. Bizning vatanki musulmon xalq, Uyg'ur bilan Qozoq bilan Qirg'izlar bularni hammasini Xitoy so'zlaydigan bir millatga aylantirish ekanligini yaxshi misollar bilan so'zlab o'tgan bo'ldi.
Shu Xitoyning axboroti olsun yoki bo'lmasa Xitoyning bosh sekretari Xi Jinpingning olsun, bularga Uyg'urlarga qartilgan siyosatlarda hargiz rəhim qilmaslik, buning bir qo'rqinchli oqibatga keltirib chiqadiganligini to'liq ma'lumotlar bilan sharhlab o'tdi.
That implies a whole different level of involvement and ultimately culpability of the central government, including its top decision-making body, in the re-education internment campaign, which in many ways forms the heart of these atrocities and kicked off the whole crackdown, and a number of other initiatives are linked to it. So I think in terms of this linkage, in terms of the implication, implicating and clarifying the role of the central government and likely of Xi Jinping himself, I think this is a significant new contribution.
For this tribunal is now adjourned until the 9th of December.